If you want to excel in Excel, divorce the mouse. Hey friends, I just made it up. But it's true, and you can experience it by making use of Excel keyboard shortcuts and see for yourself how the efficiency improves. So, is there a way to learn the keyboard shortcuts? The answer is yes, and it's very simple. Let's open a new spreadsheet. Excel keyboard shortcuts generally start by pressing the Alt key. So once you press the Alt key, you will see a shortcut, or in fact, an alphabet for each tab in the ribbon. Like F is for File, H is for Home, N for Insert, P for Page Layout, and so on. In the old Excel interface, 2003, you can find the letter underlined in the menu which denotes the shortcut. When you press the shortcut, the ribbon opens up and all the commands in the ribbon appear with the next level of shortcut. Say press insert, which is N. So all the insert commands in the ribbon open up with their own shortkeys. If you use some commands very prominently, I would recommend that do not use the mouse to navigate to the command, but use the shortcut. It will make a lot of difference in the way you work in Excel and the efficiency as well. Let me take a simple example here. I use the filter command quite often for tables and lists. If say I'm working on this sample table and I have filtered a particular percentage and I want to clear all the filters. One way to do so is to go to the filter itself and check the select all option, press OK, and you have cleared all the filters. The other would be to go to the ribbon, select the data tab, and then press the clear filter button. The third one is simple. Click Alt A C, which is the shortcut for clear filters. And if you want to simply remove or add filters from the list, Alt A T, Alt A T, Alt A T, Alt A T. See how simple it becomes. Friends, once you start working on Excel day in and day out, you'll see how easier these shortkeys become for you to work on commands. Share your experiences with me in the comments section below. Now coming to the worksheet, there are some important and easy shortcuts that you should remember. I will cover some of them while you can keep updating the important ones in the comment section. You can use the arrow keys to move to the immediate left, right, top and bottom cells to the one which is active. Pressing the home key will take you to the first cell of the current row. Say you are in cell K16. Press the home key and you are in cell K1. But when you press Control Home, it takes you to the first cell of the worksheet, which is A1. Page Up will move the cell one full screen up in the same column, and Page Down will move one full screen down. Control Page Up moves you to the previous tab of the worksheet, and Control Page Down moves you to the next tab of the worksheet. One shortcut I commonly use is the Control plus the arrow keys. What it does is that it moves to the first cell in the direction of the arrow, which is followed or preceded by a blank cell. Say for example you have data arranged something like this, and when you say are in column D and you are actually moving down the column like this and you reach cell D7. So in order to reach the cell D11, you will either press the down arrow key 4 times, or you'll use the mouse and click on D11, or when you are in D7, press Control and the down arrow. It's so simple. Now here we have a data set which has just a difference of 4 cells between the cells with data. What if the difference is 100 or 500 cells? Using your mouse or scrolling the worksheet? I think that for sure is counterproductive. Well, these were some of the scrolling shortkeys. Here are a few more that will surely help you during your work on Excel. Well, all of us know that we use Control C and Control V to copy and paste data from one cell to another. Actually, there's a faster way to paste, which is simply press the Enter key. Now, suppose I got data in this cell and I want to paste it in another cell, I'll simply copy it using Control C, go to the particular cell where I want to paste it, and hit enter. Sometimes we need to paste the data of a single cell into a range. Well, that can also be done using this shortcut. What you need to do is simply copy the cell, select the range where you want to paste the data, and then hit enter. You can use the same shortcut to copy data from one range into another range. The simplest way to move to a particular cell in a long spreadsheet is to type the address of that particular cell in the name box. Let's say we want to move to the cell AA294. So we simply go to the name box, type AA294 and hit enter. If you want to close a worksheet, press Ctrl W together, and quit the application, press Alt F4. You may also share your interesting worksheet shortcuts in the comment section, and we can include them in the tips for the coming weeks. Post your comments and share the videos with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get alerts on new videos.